Why do you have to waste your whole life earning money in exchange for being trapped in an office? Building someone else's dream? What about your family, your friends, your passions? When are you going to dedicate yourself to these things? When? I actually used to ask these questions to myself almost every day, I'll tell you how I finally found an alternative way to earn income that is realistic, it is genuine, and is also a lot of fun. I used to live a life I was really not happy with. I had built a successful career in sales, but what for? Living for the weekends? And then Mondays again. Forever. I used to wake up in the morning with a terrible feeling in my stomach. I would spend my whole day at work and I would go home miserable. I realized that if I would sit in this path for the next 20, 30 years, my life would literally fly away with no fulfillment. But what alternatives do we have? It's so hard to find a way out of this nonsense, right? Finding a better job would not make any real difference. It was in that moment, I was watching a video on YouTube, when a video popped up from a guy called Mike, based in the UK. And he was basically talking about how he started an online business from scratch with no previous experience online or any technical skills at all, that he could run from his laptop and earn income from anywhere in the world. The most intriguing part was that his business was completely automated, meaning he didn't have to try to convince anyone to buy stuff, to stalk people. I hate that. Instead, he created some content from time to time and he generated automated sales all over the world for months or even years, even while he was sleeping. That was exactly what I needed because it was simple, it was fast, it took me only a few weeks to set everything up, it was risk-free. I could start without quitting my job. I did it working evenings around my day job. This is actually the modern way of working that is changing things. Time for money is how you used to earn money in the Industrial Revolution. Well, now we're living in the digital revolution. So why don't you start your own laptop lifestyle? Everyone can do it. I would be happy to share with you the same video series that helped me get started for free. This is how I received them. You can hit the blue Learn More button somewhere around here. Write down your contact details and I will immediately send the videos to you so that you can start right away. Or maybe you prefer to continue with traditional job forever. You need to take your own decisions. Just wanted to let you know there is a way out. All you need to do is trust the process, follow the steps, never ever quit, and you'll soon get here, I promise. It's time you dedicate yourself to what really matters to you. Take care.